welcome back to my channel. I'm going to continue on with this front axle. Now this is off a Series 3, and one of the reasons why I've got it was because the swivels are in good nick and also because of the larger brakes. Now having pondered about this for a bit, what I might do is actually remove that entire assembly from the axle housing on both sides, service it, swap over the hub with the 109 hub, so that way I've got the right wheel nuts on both ends, on both axles, service it, and then put it against or back onto the other differential that I've serviced, and you would have seen that in my previous vids, and then paint the lot. That'll, I think, mean that I'll save a bit of work, because I've already prepped the axle housing ready to paint, and I don't know what the condition of the diff is. The person that I bought it from says it's in good nick, but I might as well just use my other one and use this one as a spare. Right, just got one more bolt left. Everything else has been undone. Undone the drag link, so pretty much we're ready to slide this out. So just get myself prepared here. And of course the other thing I forgot to mention is, obviously you need to drain the diff, so just in case. Yeah, that'll be right. Alright, that's the last bolt. Hopefully it just doesn't pop down. Same principle. Pop that out. See what it looks like. Pretty good. These run this internal seal, which lands on here. Lots of cleaning to do, but now I can put that one aside. Excuse the noise, that's the rain. And bring my other one that's ready to paint. In the meantime, I'll have to remove these hubs to replace them with the 109. So both sides are out now. Quite a straightforward process. Splines look to be in okay condition. Actually surprised how good they are. So as I said, next thing to do will be to start removing this end, or hub assembly really, the whole lot, because I want to replace this one with the 109, as I said. I've never taken one of these out before. I don't know what to expect. All I'm going to do is just be unscrewing these and removing the whole unit. Hopefully there's no surprises in there. But aside from that, the actual brake assembly and all that kind of stuff looks in remarkably clean condition. It's just outside, but it's a bit gunky